नमस्कार दोस्तों, श्रीहन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज एसएससी सीजीएल 2026 के 24 सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स। हर क्वेश्चन के बाद 5 सेकंड सोचो, फिर आंसर आएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1। द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज फाउंडेड इन 1885 बाय ऑप्शन ए दादाभाई नौरोजी, बी एओ ह्यूम, सी बाल गंगाधर तिलक, डी गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। अब सोचो। सही जवाब हाई ऑप्शन बी एओ ह्यूमे। एओ ह्यूमे, a retired British ICS officer, founded INC in 1885. Question 2. The partition of Bengal was annulled in which year? Option A 1905, B 1909, C 1911, D 1919. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C 1911. Partition of Bengal 1905 was annulled in 1911 by King George V. Question 3. The Dandi March of 1930 was associated with which movement? Option A non-cooperation movement, B civil disobedience movement, C Quit India movement, D Swadeshi movement. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option B civil disobedience movement. Dandi March launched civil disobedience movement against salt tax. Question 4. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, B Lala Lajpat Rai, C Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D Bipin Chandra Pal. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak gave this famous slogan asserting self-rule. Question 5. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? Option A 1940, B 1941, C 1942, D 1943. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C 942. Quit India movement was launched on 8 August 1942 by Gandhi. Question 6. Simon Commission was boycotted because option A, it proposed partition of India. B, it had no Indian member. C, it abolished Indian councils. D, it increased taxes. Ab socho. Sahi jawab high option B, it had no Indian member. Simon Commission had no Indian member, causing nationwide boycott. Question 7. Who presided over the historic Lahore session of INC in 1929? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Motilal Nehru, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Ab socho. Sahi jawab high option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru presided. Purna Swaraj resolution was passed here. Question 8. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on which date? Option A 13th April 1919, B 13 March 1919, C 13 April 1920, D 13 March 1920. Ab socho. Sahi jawab high option A. 13 April 1919, General Dyer ordered firing at Jallianwala Bagh on 30th April 1919. Question 9. Which is the longest river in India? Option A Godavari, B Yamuna, C Ganga, D Indus. Ab socho. Sahi jawab high option C Ganga. Ganga is India's longest river at approximately 2525 kilometers. Question 10. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Option A 6, B 7, C 8, D 9. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C 8. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states including Gujarat and Mizoram. Question 11. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Option A Tamil Nadu, B Andhra Pradesh, C Gujarat, D Maharashtra. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline of approximately 1600 km in India. Question 12. Siachen Glacier is located in which mountain range? Option A Himalayas, B Karakoram, C Zanskar, D Pir Panjal. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option B Karakoram. Siachen Glacier lies in the Karakoram range, world's second largest glacier. Question 13. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Option A Haryana, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Himachal Pradesh. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. Punjab. Punjab means land of 5 rivers: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. Question 14. The Silika Lake, the largest coastal lagoon in India, is located in which state? Option A. West Bengal, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Kerala, D. Odisha. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option D. Odisha. Chilika Lake is in Odisha, largest brackish water lagoon in Asia. Question 15. Which pass connects Shimla with Tibet? Option A. Rohtang Pass, B. Shipkila, C. Nathula, D. Baralachala. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option B. Shipkila. Shipkila Pass on Sutlej River connects Himachal Pradesh with Tibet. Question 16. The Deccan Plateau is bounded on the west by which mountain range? Option A. Eastern Ghats, B. Satpura Range, C. Western Ghats, D. Aravalli Range. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. Western Ghats. Western Ghats form the western boundary of the Deccan Plateau. Question 17. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the list of recognized languages? Option A. 7th schedule, B. 8th schedule, C. 9th schedule, D. 10th schedule. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option B. 8th schedule. 8th schedule lists 22 officially recognized languages of India. Question 18. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from which country? Option A. United Kingdom, B. Canada, C. USA, D. Australia. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. USA. Judicial review concept is borrowed from the Constitution of USA. Question 19. Under which article of the Constitution can the President declare a national emergency? Option A. Article 352, B. Article 356, C. Article 360, D. Article 365. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option A. Article 352. Article 352 empowers President to proclaim national emergency. Question 20. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Option A. President of India, B. Prime Minister, C. Vice President, D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. Vice President. Vice President of India serves as ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Question 21. The directive principles of state policy in India are inspired by the constitution of which country? Option A. USA, B. France, C. Ireland, D. Canada. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. Ireland. DPSPs are borrowed from the Irish Constitution of Ireland. Question 22. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution added the words socialist and secular to the preamble? Option A. 42nd Amendment, B. 44th Amendment, C. 46th Amendment, D. 52nd Amendment. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option A. 42nd Amendment. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 added socialist and secular to preamble. Question 23. The minimum age required to become the Vice President of India is option A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 35 years, D. 40 years. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. 35 years. A person must be at least 35 years old to become Vice President. Question 24. Which fundamental right was abolished by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978? Option A. Right to equality, B. Right to freedom, C. Right to property, D. Right to constitutional remedies. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. Right to property. Right to property was removed from fundamental rights by 44th Amendment. तो दोस्तों ये थे आज के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। कितने सही हुए कमेंट में बताओ। ऐसे डेली प्रैक्टिस के लिए चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम।